Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, the base model, not the Ultra. Now I know Samsung Unpacked happened today, and I will be doing more videos on all the products released, so stay tuned for those. And if you're not already subscribed, it would mean a lot to me if you could subscribe. But anyways, let's just get right into it. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 was released today and was shown off to the world, and already right when it was first launched, there was a bunch of controversy surrounding it. Mainly because of the plastic back, 1080p screen, and 60Hz, all combined to make a phone that apparently costs $999. It's basically like Samsung is trying to say, please don't buy this phone, it's bad and overpriced, buy the Note 20 Ultra. And that's kind of the vibe they were giving off during the live stream as well. They really didn't talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and they were mainly focusing on the Note 20 Ultra and every other product that they announced. And it felt like they just neglected the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and probably for good reason. I'm pretty sure they understand that the phone is not that great, honestly. It's 1080p, 60Hz. The OnePlus Nord has a 1080p screen with 90Hz and it costs $400. I don't really see how they can justify pricing this phone at such a high price tag when a bunch of phones are coming out, a bunch of budget phones actually are coming out with really good screens with 90Hz, and even other phones from the past generation or 2 years ago like the OnePlus 7 Pro. But yeah, that's basically everything that I wanted to talk about in this video, just talking about how the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is not worth your money, so I wouldn't even recommend it to anyone because it's basically overpriced. You don't really get what you pay for, so it's not really a wise decision for your wallet. I would suggest investing in maybe a Note 20 Ultra if you're really interested in the Note line, but you could also wait for the Samsung Galaxy Fan Edition, which comes in the future as well. But other than that, let me know what you guys think about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.